Sanibonani emakhaya lona Oscar Bongani uChicken lona magroove isindoda lana eMpumalanga eHembox Spirit emuzimuhle madoda ngaba nabafowethu lana kulehlolo lelithi esitheka sidlaleni ngeringasi awuthi abafowethu banibulise naba
Phela ngisho ngithi hello South Africa. This is your boy. Your boy. Hey, your boy P-U-W-A. A.K.A. Puma. Abatshela what's the Bowie.
What's up, good people? You know it's your boy G-W-E-J, aka Bowie Bow. Bowie Bow.
And we...
Awe bahlali lo Sugar Snacks ngiyanibulisa lapha emakhaya all over South Africa with different countries lapho nasiyanibulisa size ngenye itopic namuhla ngicela ukuthi nani ni participate ni comment awe
Alright bafethu niwazwile mathitene futhi fandakhe siphethe uSmobile 1011 aqala idust babulise Petermela emakhaya etiwala babulise emakhaya etiwala bashali hole emakhaya etiwala
Wala.
Ngiyabona ukuthi unamahlo udlala ngentamo mara bafethu sintshele kula kulehlelo lethu ukuthi samukela wonke umuntu namhlanje sifeature uSmall sifuna ukuthi abe nathi mhlambe kuyoba into yakhe la khula naye kube cameraman or mhlambe kube presenter semgruma sesemanje kusesomntwana and then bafethu ningakhohlwa ukuthi i-age distriction yethu ithi 18 not less than 18 upwards ngoba manje kunama language aphumayo kunezinto eziphumayo amagama aphumayo kuleleni abanye abantwana bangawezwa kahle ngithola ngoba inhlamba ezinye and abanye abantu bayaswelela mabakhuluma and itopic maseshisa lapha emakhaya phela ningakhohlwa ukuthi nathi vele sivele sitshelele nje mara kungcono ngoba sanitshela ukuthi kwenzakalani alright itopic leya namhlanje bafethu ithi why people stay long not having ama partners kushukuthi why bahlala isikhathi bangajoli bangafuna ukujola bona ba prefer ukulala babe singile bangafuna umuntu leyo nto iyenzwa yini why gasi ke sikhulumeni ngayo nani bahlala lapha emakhaya nani nikeze ni comment ngifaka ama view ni phone manifuna ukufona sinizwe ukuthi nina nithini ngama comment wenu asizweni ngamathito ukuthi why vele riding lena ithuneka asizwe sigibele phezulu kwendaba
I'm gonna talk for me isne. Njengoba bafunda izisho ukuthi bashilima amajita. That's simple bashilima. They can speak for themselves. Ikwababa.
Alright, namuzi umjita uthi kwababa. Asizwe lomunye lokuthi
It's a choice.
hayi mina I think nje ukuthi sedition ukuthi umuntu avoid stress
Ne.
somjolo
Yeah.
angithi niyezwa ke nawe umhlali nayo yasho ukuthi stress ubafo wena woqala uthi hayi uvela ulovalo ushawa i-vibration ufana ne-3310 uyakhumbula i-3310 ukuthi bevibrate kanjani bekhala ungale ekamereni unguyona ingale ekamereni ulayidani room uzoma-vibrate ethi no-3310 uyasha njengoba umdidasho asizwe lo munye umdidayo lobeka kanjani
Yo, abantu like bahlala isikhathi esiningi bangabi nama-partners according to my onion ukuthi
onion
like abanye abantu they stay single because they want to make money nje they don't want stress njalo they are in the process of making money therefore they will date after
But that's a cap. You're right.
ngivumelana nawe straight
No.
hayi nami angivumelani
You can't say like you're focusing only on making money because you're gonna make money. After making money, you won't know psychology of shit. And they're gonna use you for your money.
bangakhi abantu abanemali abanganamaphathi bangakhi
Yo.
baningi
yeah alright manje mawuthi you make money ba ile ndaba ukuthi bayenze imali
bona okay let me
Okay.
I think you unpack
yeah izama yokuhle
we unpack
according to your onion
according to my onion
Yeah.
so like reason ngithi mina people be single because they in the process of making money ukuthi like abafuna ukumixa like izinto eziningi understand because umuntu unahasila ubeka ufaka like effort So let me say like therefore baby, you are not giving me attention. So they are avoiding those type of things.
But
well, that's very wrong.
No, it's not wrong.
That's very wrong. You know what? Let me say something. Because uzo hustle ube na imali. Uzoba na imali after uthola imali, you gonna look for a serious partner and then you will serious partner.
But then
amantombazana azokuyuza for imali yakho and like yabona so like you should balance things.
Yes, but
you then not saying good like kumele put the all effort go share no. But then you should balance things.
Yazi enye into mina. Mina. Ngibeka kanje. Abantu ukuthi bahlala isikhathi bangathuli bangafuna ama-partner. Others babuya kuma-abusive relationship. That's the first thing. Umuntu uhlala isikhathi eside a-abuse you. It's either you were married or benijola. Uyangithola. Kana ukujola icherry ayifani nomfazi. I-out ayifani nendoda. Ning-understand. Zathi fara riding. Uyangithola. Uthola ukuthi through a process yakho yomjolo ne-relationship bebak abuse and you stay a long time u-abuse wala and then uthe wathola i-chance uthola abantu abazokala waphuma wazitshela ukuthi yasesazeni indoda angisayifuna eduze kwami or icherry or umfazi angisamfuna eduze kwami ngoba ngahetheka kakhulu. Uyangithola enye into ukuhetheka into esibili madoda alisicabangela ngithiya manga ndiwebeka ngemali ngakho emalini ngiya understand but kunesizathu semali bro uthola ukuthi in a relationship imali bedlala abantwana uyangithola indoda iphelelwa umsebenzi lo cherry akusumuntu bekathanda like wena bekathanda imali yakho and she was using you all of those years. Uyangithola ukuthi ngithini njengale topic engizwe namhlanje ku radio ane digital color lithi mina ma business and nginomfazi ngimshade 8 years ane 3 years let's praise God suka le until manje umfazi uqale wathi umuntu umfazi wenza izinto ngemali uyangithola and manje mangabe kumele kuyiwe ngale enkonzweni ngale bedroom kongena isikolo kufundiswana umfazi akafuni ngoba imali ayikho but imali uma ikhona yenzani ungena kamnandi so now mamela ngokuexplainela in that way umuntu in that case of man uyazi umoseka kuphi umoseka emotionally uyalimala ukuthi lo muntu bekangiuza angiuze kufana nosester onemali ujola nosester onemali obvious uzokubhetha uzokwenzela yonke usester maka brigada awusafuni ukuyala ngoba angithi ukujwaza ukuthi ukunikeza imali uzofunani uzofuna umunye usester onemali uyangithola ukuthi enzani and then usester naye athatha abheka athi yazini ngiyayuzwa la it's better ngihlale ngiyi-one uyangithola ulimele njani emotional uyangithola ukuthi ngisho kanjani lo oqala it's an abusive angithi lona manje engikhuluma ngayo it's emotional uyangithola ukuthi kanjani and then abanye abantu esithathu sithathe kanje abanye abantu bayenziswa abazali abazali they don't like your partner nabantwana bakini abamfuni bazwenza into encane ukuthi uhlukane nepartner yakho and ube sesayidini lapho and ngaleso sikhathi ulimaza bani ulimaza leyo mntwana bani or balimaza wena lo mhlawumbe abakufuni wena balimaza wena and in that man wena bosoplanile ukuthi ngizolobola ngizo-engage ngilobole ngishade
that's the thing
uyamthola ukuthi enzani that is why nginikeza ama-category amathathu ukuthi abantu bayenzwa yini ukuze bahlale basingile.
I also want to add ukuthi like the reason why people stay single is because of like mostly waba single for too long. Waje kile washo my nigga kile washo go Facebook. But like mostly this card for too long single. Gizoba nzima ukuthi date futhi. because of like so jwala ngisho like
Awusatrust.
live a peaceful life.
Awusatrust.
No one stressing you, no one like ocela imali, no one acela izinto nje, you always free. So like no normal like so itholile partner ne zoba nzima ukuthi le partner leyo uyithanda the way kumele uyithanda ngakhona because of like nakenza one mistake izofika umfaka indlela
uyocabangani iza kule point yami iza kule point iphi ye emotional angithi lo yana okulimazile and then wahlala isikhathi but the time uyofuna ipartner uzwenzani uzomthola lo muntu but angeke kufane na before like explain ngoba kunezinto azozenza umuntu uyaphila na umuntu uyaphila ama mistake ayenza uzoyenza I mistake wena kuwe ithi remind yokureminder ngobani ngale ya partner yakulimaza kwenza ukuthi ubreak angeke ube nalo uthando sekulimazile nawe inside ngaphakathi uyangibamba yokuthi abantu abaningi yabona masingabheka nesikhathi nesemanje maningabheka out of 100% abantu abathandanayo is 40%, the rest of the 60% akusathandana
especially South Africa
ngokutshela ivasho
because of health.
yona leyo nto program into yokuqala yiyo iproblem yokuqala yokuphula relationship
But I think like at the beginning of the relationship, when she does share imali, understand? Because you tell something, therefore you buy that thing. And when you can do that out of love, I want to know that man is easy.
Why sometimes like how much pretend isn't like actually I can't mad.
Yeah, true.
Actually like I keep with date. I go I mean like I keep share. But I go date. Young soul. I feel about date as an to call the card ending or call the mal ending.
Yeah.
I want to reaction and show also rate tangent.
Pega program.
Sometimes you should do that.
Lalela ayukuthi ngokunye isikhathi wenza ukuthi abotheri wena wenza utheri athanda imali abantwana abotheri bamanje nabafazi bamanje masesikhuluma iqiniso into yokuqala ethandweni imali
Kona
lalela bro uthando lamanje into yokuqala ungayishela intombazana la into yokuqala izobuzwa yasebenza mawutha mame kubo abafo unamama yebafo ngawudula itheri la ngithi ibanga
Jami izodlula iwani ngibamba.
And ngakuthi uyathola manje uyaphethe
ukubhenze lokho okuningi.
Ugenene ukuthi code 2 Nayi question mina lizoqala emakhaya ithi ethi apart question nayo akasiphendule ugenene wasasha izwa yakho khona iqiniso njengomuntu ofayo bro ugenene ungasabi akusiqala leli lokuthi ugcine
4 days back
asazi besingekho mara ukhuluma kanje mina ngibhekile
mara qala uyangibuza ngiyamantsara uyangidinga
bushangani ngedali ngevaseline blue seal or ngodon coconut
phela code 2
ngithi bushangani ngedon or ngevaseline ora ngiyadlala abahlala sibekeleni
ngiyakusekhona ne we are not saying good like it's wrong to spoil your girlfriend. No, it's not.
It's not.
But what you are trying to say here is like just stop doing it at the beginning, trying to impress her with money. Stop dating with your wife because if you don't give her money anymore, she's gonna leave you.
Yeah, enjoy.
We are not saying it's wrong to spoil your girlfriend. No, you must spoil your lady. That one is obvious. You know what I'm saying?
But what I can say, like spoil someone, like you spoil someone. Now we through thick and thin, understand? Not someone who just met.
We are going to test.
Anything is possible, actually.
Anything is possible.
Anything is possible. Marasanga 50-50 too much.
Yabona manje nani bahlala emakhaya le topic ile uma ngabe besishele Philippines nani benizokhuluma ezinye izinto thina singazazi ukuthi umuntu wenzwa yini uyamthola kwelinye iside ngizoxoxa iqiniso kwelinye iside kunamajuda abafethu athanda ikhothu anakantu anabantu chance
ikhothu anyway
ngiyacela brawan uabuse umntwana abantu umntwana abantu noma akathi ukuthi baba uyabona ngomsebenzi ethini uzopheka kanti mina ngokushateleni kanti kanti uyamlimaza umntwana abantu yazi ukulala naye
uthi abuse code 2
yeah ukulala naye lalela ukulala naye yena wena ngithi uon yena akekho on amlimaza amlimaza
God that's obvious
uyabona ukuthi omunye umuntu wenzani ayifuse ukuthi amadoda akathanda ikhothu mina ngisafuna ukujola next ngcono ngesisebenza
Mara,
yazi uthini omunye umuntu athi ngcono mina ngijola abanye abantu abathanda ibhiya like abomama abathanda ibhiya kakhulu singaba blame ukuthi esalo mama uthanda ibhiya kakhulu uvuka dakwe uyolala dakwe everyday kanti kunento emhlu kunesizathu thina sazi deep down from her roots kunesizathu and that thing ayiphumanga mhlambe endlini iphume from relationship yakhe ngangithola ukuthi ngithini
kahle what you're trying to say would like reduce stress by drinking alcohol.
Aka-reduce stress like ukudrinka i-alcohol uyazi uthini uthi is better mina ngijole notshwala.
That's bullshit, man.
No, it's not
Mara,
bullshit.
no.
Awuthami sicabanga ungena ku-abuse.
But also like self-love. But you cannot claim that you are dealing with a beer. How can you kiss a beer? Can you fuck a beer?
When uthatha izinto uzenza impossible brawa. Ungathatha izinto zenze impossible. Usakhula, usazojola, usazothanda.
No, I've experienced it.
Awuka experience. Usazo awuka experience. Ungaze ezinye izinto. Awuka experience baba. Alright, awuka experience. Angithi yena experience. U-experience le. Uke wathi uqeda ukulala nentombazana ehamba epolice station.
Nah.
Or our experience.
That part. No.
They ever did that to you?
No, and if you know what thing it has, like not return, but not with basho rape accusation. Again, you should not to know what you want when you know, but I will not return, not to what the police station now. That part level.
I experience. Alright, we get what in a relationship. Go bizwa bazali kwahlala phansi nabazali.
Msaya
usasifundisa ntwana ya
usathandana
awuthandani kunokuthandana kunokujola awukathandani usa experience lalela bro ukujola kufana noma uqala isikole ungena angithi manje ikolo siqala zithi crash zithi preschool or zithi sub A zithi grade R angithi grade R preschool zithi sub A angithi grade 1 grade 1 angithi zize kahle kushukuthi umjolo ufana nesigela wena uma uqala uJona usaqala ukungena ku preschool uze kahle angithi maqala usesentwana ubona uCherry lapho yawena ngiyakuthanda umuntu amthona angithi uyaqala foundation uyaqala uyagrumeka ingqondo yeya masoqala ungaka futhi yabuya ngitho la ko standard 1 standard 2 so yazi ukuthi hayi umuntu wami lo angithi but anikangabuzani anikanzi next uqale uthi higher primary when I'm talking about higher primary, 3, 4, 5. Go lapho ke manje. So qala ukuzwa ikhothule manje. Ukuthi kwenzakalani. And then so kwazini ukuthi mawuba nenkinga nomuntu wakho, nikwazi ukusolve ka. Ikana umjolo ukufundisa into ezokuthi masongene ku relationship, siba nenkinga ethize. Uzokwazi ukusolve kanjani mawindoda. Umjolo it's a practice, it's an education yokuthi masongene ku relationship sokushadile.
But back on, there are older people, abasajola, not by Tanda.
Azangba, mamela, basajola, ngoba they didn't get bona kunabantu like maskhulu.
Sibaswe ugrade 12.
Mamela, sibeke kanje. Makukhula let me say sikhula sonke. Mina maskhula nina nijola. Mina ngingajola. Yazi le nto ngizebamba ku. Masengikhulu. Mina senishadile ngithi. Mina manje khana mina sengifuna uqala ukujola. And manje izokushadisa ngoba manje ayikusafani nangalesa sikhathi. Angithi wena usaphethe leya timetable yangalesa sikhathi. La mindset akudala. Kwamanje ugijima ama 2000 baba. Money talks. Angazi ukuthi leyo ngoma yayazi. Ethi money talks. Gijima ama 2000. Wena uyaqala usifundisa ukujola somdala ungaka. Ama 2000 akulimaza. Akulimaza ama 2000.
Ama 2010.
Awukulimaza baba. So
yeah, 2011.
Everything what ikhale la eThaveni ngizothi phuza utshwala babona amahleli kanje uyibone right uzomaqala idako uziphatha esibrawami uthi yini mawuthi abheka uma 11 sekayayehla manje uthi brawami athi salothi ngiphathisa stress makacabanga ukubuyela endlini lahlala khona nalothiro uzothi salothi ngiphathisa stress umbone sekahleka athi uthi ama-brown relaxer yini athi lo-cherry uyangi-abhuza kunamadoda abhuzwa abo-cherry bayiyeke i-relationship ngenxa yoku-abhuzwa umfazi
Mina what I can advise you men ukuthi nawubona ngathi usereact abuser damn her.
But then like Tipsing is very addictive. Tipsing
i-addiction
Yeah, it's a
i-addiction right.
But there are people who
This
can
is why like I
survive
don't promote
without
ukuthi
singing.
umjito kumele ahlale single for way too long.
manje
Uthi
uba
uzimali. addictive.
uyofa
Even
umdala
though
unganangani ungana-next
Yeah, yabo.
ngokuthi usingile yini le uzoyikhomba emhlabeni wena ukuthi ngiyashiya emhlabeni
You're going to chase
Legacy.
money, ne?
efethu nawe usomizi uyambona usomizi
Okay.
uda ushiye mara ushiye
Unoshiye.
wenze ushiwe ngayo and ushiye wakhe wangani umdala mara still ubuyelela ushiye angithi so uyobhoda wena unganangani umdala
This is why we are saying good like being single is addictive.
Nah, but there
Because
are,
you're gonna stay single and chasing the bag. After getting the bag,
Yeah.
still it's gonna be hard for you to
Yeah.
have a woman that you really want.
yeah
So I
So
said-
you should balance the equation.
Mara nje uyothola njani ungana mali?
Better,
Yeah.
let me tell you
Uyothola
something.
njani ungana mali nje?
You can survive, bro.
Yeah?
You can survive.
Uthola ungana mali?
Yeah.
kanjani
How?
Kahle.
kanjani explain
angisofane ngizwe basho abosheri wathi like uzokuthanda understand the situation yakho, understand everything about you ngaphambi kokuthi
This is why I always tell them.
So-
I'm a girlfriend of mine. That's why. This is why I always tell them. This is why I always tell them, good. No, I don't spoil a girlfriend. I spoil a wife. Simple.
Phela
And
mara.
I agree with you there.
A wife.
I agree
Yeah.
with you
Mara-
Go on, okay, you can
Hey,
buy
wife.
her things there and there.
alright ngicela ukubuza lana wena mngani wami ne
Buza.
right when you talk about wife somshadile le ntombazane or usajola naye and ukhuluma
what I'm
kanjani
telling you,
ngowife
Yeah,
ukhuluma kanjani ngowife
ngiyabatshela ukuthi ngizoba spoil. Actually ngizoba bad.
masomshadile
Masemfazi wami lapha sekabayele.
phela mawuthi
Manje
masekumfazi
sey
masomshadile
abazali.
umfazi umuntu osomshadile
Yeah.
sibeka
Mlobolile.
siklere lapho singahlangahlanganisi nabazali nalabo abasakhula
Yeah.
umfazi yilo somlobolile ukhiphile umshadile
Yeah.
ucherry yilo ojolana
Yeah.
so ngifuna ukuthi ube specified la
Okay. Let me put it like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ngispoila umfazi, not the girlfriend. Mase ngimshadile ngimlobolile. Lapho
You can spoil it because say
responsibility.
responsibility.
Manje usese girlfriend responsibility
Yabazali.
abobani?
Yabazali.
Parents.
alright athingise la
Rebecca,
ngikuzeni
Rebecca.
ale question
Yeah,
ne-3 ke
yeah.
bafethu right nangu ucherry ojolana
Yeah.
uma uledi wakho hlala noma uledi wakho ugula blind kunezinye izinto
Uma ulelo wakhe wami.
wakho
Okay.
kunezinye izinto wena uyindoda angeke ukwazi ukuzenza emntwini wesifazane
Yeah.
nabafazi kunezinye izinto uma ugula wena indoda angeke akwazi ukuzenza kuwe kumele ayofcela umalume or ubani
Yeah.
right loyo cherry mothi abheka kuma-family wakho kuma-relative akunawo lowo zayo lo cherry ojola naye wenzela umama wakho uyamhlambisa umphuthisa amapilisi wenza yonke into umkhapha bodokoteni bokliniki alright lo muntu onjalo ngicela ukubuza bafeni umrata as umfazi or ucherry
Ezoshira. Angamshada.
According to my
Onion. Onion.
according to my
Oh.
onion.
just ukuthi yena bekabonisa ukuthi ma ungamshada
Treatment matters. Men's
Yeah.
treatment matters.
ngiyabona ukuthi iza kanjani
If
so
you if you are born
kwesinye isikhathi yabona i-relationship bafethi ngakulahlela emgodini relationship
That's why ngithi mina people should make money.
yazi ungajola ujike uhlukane nomndeni wakho uhamba ubhekane nale partner yakho la nibhekana khona izithi izinto masezibhede ipartner yakho iqoshe
Unless she's bewitched you.
wena mfethu
Talking from experience.
unama answer amanye
Talking from experience.
lalela malankani bona
Malankan.
Yeah.
Talking of from experience.
wena
Yeah. Talking from experience.
bake bakwenza lento
Yeah.
aku-explain istori sakho
No.
no ungasakusaba explain istori
No,
sakho
yeah, talking from
No,
experience.
actually-
mina okay mina ngizokutshela mina ngisakhula ngike ngamthola ucherry
Yeah.
and mina ngizokutshela uvalo lo cherry kubo bekunwa amateksi unwa intolo
We can't, yeah.
uyangithola and ngithole nayo isikhathi eside from higher primary to high school yazi into yasihlukanisa yini that's why ngibuyela kuleya ndaba yembuya
Oh, yeah.
yemandela
The Monday, yeah.
yiyo le nto yasihlukanisa umandela
Yeah.
uyangithola
Yeah.
and uCherry uyakwazi ukukuhetha wena uyazi uma ngabe wena awukwazi ukusayina ibhotweni yakho bedroom ungakwazi ukudlala amakhadi wakho kahle uyazi ukuthi
awazi ushelele
bro wami uyangithola uyibeka kahle vele umshelelo ekamerini bro wami
so ungakwazi ukushelela vele
mawungakwazi ukuselela mawungakwazi ukuselela uyakwazi ukuthi mhlawumbe umakhelwane la amjayele mhlawumbe ujwayele ukudisa la ejardini nini angithi bajwayele ukuvulela imfuyo uzomvulela isifuyo emani yazi umuntu esebenza ilanga liyi-1 and ngeke bakutshela bazotshontshela niyoqala lapho.
So but into like you get understand but into oyenza emsithelweni iyavele ekhanyeni because ningathi nisafaka
angithi ngiseza lapho ukuthi lalela ngiseza lapho ukuthi iyavela ne wena angithi awukwazi ukwenza kanjalo uphethwe isifo soshukela ngithola bayilo uyakwazi ukugijima 325 yalwasa ipapi mfethu la clock ipapi le 325 lishaya amapiano lishaya amapiano uyangithola ukuthi ngisho kanjani 325 uke walizwa ama-self spinal thile emuva injalo ke ufuna ukuthi naye ishaya amapiano uyangithola kube 325 manje mawungakwazi ukuyenza dadini awathola umuntu okwazi ukuyisayina ngayo nokukuyeka ngakuyeka and then wena uqala uhethe ukhetheka kwakho uselani mhlambe wheelchair wakho lo wasuka ukudola naye vele ubeka inhliziyo yakho from way back uthi makahlukana nawe wena-ke besositshela into
Lise ukuthi
grand ngabo
lise ukuthi waba single too much ugcina soshaya isandla is it
yona enjalo asike sikhuluma iqiniso yona enjalo but even nalabantu abanama partner but they masturbate
mara ke nake ilo kanje ke ndeke ukwasingile
awonanto something
wakhetha njani kahle kahle ufuna ukwazi for example nosingi isikhathi eside
yeah it affects you
now we are explaining
ukuthi like ingasana manje
amanye ama-side effect like ukuba single ne amangiphendulele question ngabafa ama side effect ukuba single ukuthi like now single isikhathi ayisho phela go through awu-enjoy awuyitholi ngade awuyitholi so kungakulidela ukuthi urape
yeah it's true it can lead
to sex isikhathi
mara urape
yeah
ungakulidela sex isikhathi like uba nenkani
uba nenyini
ezikhosi kanga
amanye ama-side effect wokuhlala isikhathi yiyo lawo bengiwaqaleukuthi i-abuse uyangithola imali uyangithola ukungabhekelwa ekamereni yiwo ama-side effect wakhona and then umuntu ohlala isikhathi naye sizwe balance abanezela bathi umuntu ohlala isikhathi uyamasturbate uba nekani mangavele ayikhula kunjani bahlala emakhaya leyo nto kusukela amandulo sihlala siyazi njalo bathi uma ngabe awugijimisa igazi uzoba nekani leyo nto itakudala right ke lana kusoba futhi lento sikhuluma sibekeni straight lokho ukuthi umuntu ahlale angatholi uyamasturbate akunamuntu ohlala angatholi angamasturbate igazi ngoba asithathe ithi nomuntu ojolayo ukwazi ukuyithola i-code 2 mamela asazi asikho mara amabondo akini angasela mangabe wanomlombe wazosithola
and I'm telling you ugcine today in the morning
mamela
and I'm telling you ugcine today in the morning
ene manje uyazi yenzakalakala umuntu abanye abantu ubona into e-TV it's a romantic move ama-romantic move amanje anamasimba zisuka nje zekuvele kugibela phezu kwe-325
take i-other thing
sekabamba la obvious uzothi uconcentrate obhekile umuntu imagination takes place imagination ihambelana ne-emotion your emotions times imagination zithi equals to igazi lagijima and then that igazi maligijima udivatela kuphi masturbation
I but being single is not here
but sometimes okay I think when mara okay
But they say sometimes like it's healthy to masturbate.
Yeah, uzwa abo-doctor angithi njengoba angithi abo-doctor ngiyakhumbula njengoba kungena i-HIV and AIDS i-HIV and AIDS akhumbula amaqala i-HIV and AIDS there was this programs sebazihambisile zokuthi uma ngabe awufuna ukuthi ube ne-AIDS or i-HIV you have to go to stay single, or you have to condomize, or you have to masturbate. They said it's healthy to masturbate.
It makes you feel like cool and calm. Yeah, that's what they say.
Okay, let me ask you. I don't agree with that.
Explain it futhi. Yeke ukunika ikhanda lapho. Lalela. Iqala. Yabona uma ngabe uhlala isikhathi esitho unganashi or unganayi. Abotheri nabo bayarepa yazale.
Mara impilo into bayenzako yazi. Mele ikhalinywe nje. Bakuphi banihlala
manje yona uyazi uma ngabe awuyithola. That's why nase nabo doctor ba-explainela ukuthi njengoba beqala lento lele ukuyenza lento le ethi bathi condomize or don't have sex at all or masturbate. They know ukuthi why bathi masturbate because of uyareliveka emzimbeni. Angithi nokuzizwa maqedwe ukulala nentombazana.
Yeah.
Makati kulala nayo ufila kanjani?
Feel free.
Yabo ngathi uhlelekile.
Like a newborn baby.
Makati ukudla khothu. Ufila like
cool, yeah.
So manje uavoidani ugorepa. So masicwele la. Obviously lezi zinto zibona TV nangu umuntu uchekelela idoze ngakini banqamezana lade ngiyahlala emqondo kada imagination ihamba neemotion yahlangana le ubona umntwana abantu yasigezela urudumisile yahlanyela lapha sokuthumela rape angithi wena ufuna ukuyela rape yashoma kanti ngaleso sikhathi wena ngachinja so phula ibucha angithi awuvumelana kana abantu sidumisela uyazigcinela wena fika wena futhi kunganyakazi so yahloma
Correct, Mato.
wena so yahloma phakathi ukuhloma ngaleso sikhathi awuvumelana naye uyamrepa
Yeah.
yiyo le cause uma ungayidobi uzojinja
Yo.
Ikati kikwatsoile utamachita na wewe wadlengule mara impilo leyo. Leo utamachita na wewe wadlengule.
angithi bathi 50-50 manje dunya manje ozabayikhuluma bakhona abotheri bake bagijima eJohannesburg bake babaveza ngase-TV bahamba ngegolf bakwazi ukubamba i-out indlula so bayatshela sicela usidirecte bayidire ngaphakathi ewayithi igolf yakona bakugibeze uhambe nabo uyobaridinja kuyi-3 bayokudinja kuyi-3 wena uma ufika epolice station indoda angeke ufike epolice station uthi ngerepu abafazi
Yes.
bakuhlela uyabona mangaya kula manyuzi wa-before ukoye lapha e-Outland Park uthi ngifuna le video ngale la kwajinja abotheri bajinja khona bazokhiphelayo abotheri bayajinja abotheri bayajinja nabo bafo akunakuthi kujinja mawuthi kuphela nabotheri bayajinja aboshi bayajinja abohi bayajinja so manje nina bahlala emakhaya senzele kanje le topic lena yanamhlanje sicela ukuthi nina nikhomente nishone lapho kuma-Facebook nishone lapho ku-YouTube nishone konke la sikhona nisifonele uma ngabe niyafuna ukufona amanamba nawo nifone nanisho ukuthi manje sicela ukuthi nichubekisele phambili sicela ukuthi niyenzele kuphi sikwazi ukuthi sibe khona sikwazi ukukhomenta kahle siyakwazi ukuze efieldini sizokwazi ukuyenzela khona nikwazi ukuyikhomenta siyenze i-second episode le ndaba so kwamanje ngicela ukuthi sibambene kancane sivu sikwazi ukuyivala sizwe amajita ama-opinion wabo athini i-onion yakho ithini nabo
Mina, according to my onion, ukuthi like nabona usingle. Iba single, ungabi that single. Iba ko situationship and always specific like no shelo mntazana. Ungathi uyamthanda wena uyasithamthana. Just straight to him na ngifuna sihlala. Simple. So ukukhuluma strong language understand. angimasekui whatever but ungazama ihloniphise so what I can say is support it abethe bawi
So what I can say is like my chance being singing is not healthy. Actually, like all people, all in all, being singing is never healthy. Because well, you'll end up doing wrong things, just like you'll end up raping, you'll end up shy sandla of you shy sandla and that's not healthy. It's healthy, but then it's shy it's
Mina kusebudokotha bafethu lento ekhulunywa bodokotha namanje uyangimangaza ngoba oskidi wazanga yenza idokotela nemedicine sizwa ebhedlela nasemaklinikhi.
Yeah, so guys, man, being singing is never healthy. Just get partners, man. Yeah, that's all I can say, man. You know what I'm saying?
Take your time and uthole umuntu ozokuzwisisa ngamanje uthole umuntu njengoba kanje usengile or desperate isikhathi sakho ubheka umuntu osharp ozokuphatha grand nje kuphela
Alright nina bafethu lapha emakhaya masegcwalisela amagama abafethu lana kuhlezi nabo lana bafethu mina ngithi asike sibalanseni ke sibekeni kahle asala ukuba singile uthatha isikhathi sakho ube singile isikhathi eside so into grand ngoba uyazi ukuthi sizathu yini leso sokwenza ukuthi ube singile ungafuni umuntu ungafuni partner. So I respect that. And then, kwelinye side, like abafethu bakhala nabo ngendaba yokuthi mabasingile bathi zaqwala and ukuthi vele yona yakufisa ukuthi ujinje ube nekaya. Umzimba uyanida ukuthi zazaza. Noma usingile ngiyacela ukuthi ngiyakhuluma rade. Noma usingile ngiyacela ukuthi akuphume ukuthi noma ungayistasho uyithenga kuna stress ukuthi avoid ukuthi ujinje. Uyangithola. Ayukuthi siyakhomba ukuthi uma usingile webhari or wini. No, actually webhari. Umuntu omunye nomunye ne-freedom angithi vele basinikeze freedom 1994 after my election isiwina ama-election ukuthi umuntu omunye nomunye une-freedom yakhe une-right okwenza enye into ngesikhathi lesi asifunayo so manje asikuthi kuwe ungayenzi ini choice yakho it's your choice but be careful ngezinye izinto ezenzeka life naturally iyayenzeka right it's a natural umuntu agcine sekarapile and amawuthi alandela lo muntu ohleli isikhathi asingile lento bekaqina ukubona lento e-TV whoever nalana ekaswa bhaqa abantu bayenza wabona abantu bathekena bancamisa leyo nto ukuthi emotion ihambelana ne-imagination and mayenza kanjalo ithambisela to ijinji uphula ibutshana so let us avoid that. Let us try to go and buy. There are our sisters there in the street. Laba bathengisayo. There are our brothers now. Kulesikhathi samanje bayathengisa abanye through iFacebook abanye bayasifihla. But try ukuthi uye uthenge urelease. Lona oskilo ma professor abanye. Let's check asidlaleni ngerikasi sonibona tuwele madoda.
Jovansilo, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Anyway, it's us. #AsLengenGas. #AsLengenGas.